why I didn't buy a GoPro and went with the Yi4k. We've all heard of the Yi4k being the GoPro killer and outperforming the GoPros. But the number one reason I got a Yi was the price. The Yi's retail price on Amazon Prime is $169.99. Pretty good price. If I were to get a gimbal with it, it's another $100, $99.99. Hard to beat. $269.98. However, the GoPro 6 is $127 more than the gimbal and camera. If I were to get the 5, it's still $20 more than the Yi with a gimbal. Now I could go with the GoPro 4, however, it doesn't perform anywhere near what the Yi4k does. And I still wouldn't have a gimbal, which those range from $279 to $169. I didn't want to shoot without the gimbal, as I found that a lot of my footage is really crummy with just the electronic stabilization. I found this Yi gimbal to be fairly responsive, at least for my use. The shortcoming I found was cold weather, the batteries would sometimes just shut down. But other than that, it was kept up with whatever I was doing. Now you might ask, what do you need a gimbal for if you have electronic stabilization? Electronic stabilization works great if you're not moving. However, if you're going pretty quick, like on a mountain bike, and you're jigging and jagging and moving your body all around and going over bumps, the footage with electronic stabilization looks like this. And it doesn't matter if you have a GoPro or a Yi. Here with the gimbal, you can see how much smoother the footage comes out. Real clean, easy to watch. You don't get seasick. Well, you might, but not as easily. Also, the Yi has all the cool features. Things like time lapse. You can make this type of footage where you can see the time transpire throughout your shot. And another fun one is the slow motion feature, which gives a shot of power and energy. And it's really kind of cool to watch too. You know, there's a silly wiener dog chasing a rubber chicken. The Yi4k shoots in 4K, but due to the limitations of a lot of my other software, most everything I shoot is in 1080. It also has a 12 megapixel camera and takes decent stills. However, the truth is, you don't buy a sports camera for stills. The reason you buy a sports camera is to do footage like this. So far, I'm really happy with my Yi camera, and I think you would be too.